Back in December 2024, Capital Garden was just a dream we were asking you to believe in. A layout, a vision. Today, that vision is standing tall. The walls are rising, the beams are up, the roofs are up. I'm going to be showing you what is going down here in Capital Gardens. Today, I decided to come down where we have more units of the 3-bedroom semi-detached. I'm going to flip the camera and we'll get right into what we have for the day. My name is Joanne, your best bet for anything off-plan real estate. If this is your first time of seeing me, it's a perfect time for you to tap on the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell and do well to share, like, and most importantly, watch this video on the highest quality, okay? I'll flip the camera so that we'll tour Capital Gardens and see what is going down in this estate. A whole lot is happening. When I was coming in, I realized that the road is being worked on because we're going to be handing over keys to our subscribers in this estate so that they will have a very good living experience on 100%. Enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you very soon. Smart investors, this is what is currently happening in Capital Garden Estate as of today. We are filling up each section, each road to be able to do a proper drainage system. Remember that we have a 3-bedroom semi-detached, a 2-bedroom terrace that comes with a BQ, and a 3-bedroom terrace. I want to go down and show you something that you are going to love. This is the section where we have the Capital Loft, which is a 3-bedroom semi-detached, and these are more units of 3-bedroom semi-detached coming up. This has gotten to the roofing stage. This is moving on, and we are also filling the ways. Okay, let's go down and see. It's not all the time I come, I show you the beautiful side where we've painted. Let me show you that we are still working, that there are more units that are coming up, and sand filling is currently going on. As you can see, there are so many trucks on site, a lot is happening, and of course there are workers on site as always. So let's go. These are more units of the 3-bed semi-detached coming up, and sand filling is currently on over there because we are still going to put up more units. We are doing more sand filling so that we can kickstart work on this section. Yeah. We are about to fill up this place. We've done a drainage system. See a closer view of a drainage system here. We are about to fill it up. After we are done filling it up, then we'll start putting up the interlocking stones just as we did in the other sections. That is already looking beautiful. So at the end of the day, that other section is going to look like this. This is what we are trying to achieve over there, okay? This is the 3-bed semi-detached duplex currently selling. Just call me or you send me a WhatsApp message if you need this, and we'll pick it up from there. Aside this, we have the terraces. You must have seen the terraces, but I would also go there for the sake of the first-time viewers that are coming across this channel for the first time. We will get to where we have the terraces so that you can take a look at it too. Aside terraces, aside housing units, we have lands for sale. So let's get to the terraces where we have the 3-bed and the 2-bed terrace that comes with a BQ. Over here, we've also started doing this beautification. You know, the first time we showcased our sample units, I would show you those lines. Some smart investors felt as though, oh, we are not going to do it again. Currently, we are doing that so that the house is going to look cute, just as that one. So as we are doing it here, we're going to be doing it in all these ones. Okay, so let's get to the terrace section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. This is an artificial lake we are also going to be having in here. Of course, you know that this estate comes with lovely features. We are going to be having a kids playground, swimming pool, and a fitness center which is already equipped. Okay, so let's keep going. Smart investors, remember this location. We have sand-filled it. We are almost through with sand filling it because more units are going to be standing here at the end of the day. So we have enough units for you. Okay, if you are willing to make your decision quickly, Capital Gardens is here for you to take advantage of either the 3-bed semi-detached or the terraces, the 2-bed and the 3-bed. And that is the terraces over there. That's where we are headed. You can see that there are more units already. Even behind, there are more units. So these are units of 3-bed terrace. Okay, all this you're seeing here are units of 3-bed terrace. All this. We also have the 2-bed terrace behind the 3-bed terrace. I've actually gone into the sample units, but I'm going to be doing that again for my first-time viewers, for people that are seeing this video for the first time that would want to see what the interior of the 3-bed terrace looks like. So let's step in. Okay, let's step in. This is your living room. Once you come in, this is your living room. Remember, this is a 3-bed terrace and this is your guest toilet. I've viewed this before, but I'm just doing it for the sake of my first-time viewers. Okay, so after that we head to the dining. This is the dining area and you have your kitchen. It's an open plan kitchen. Okay, then you have the guest room. Okay, you're not getting it furnished. For those that will be wondering, you're not getting it furnished. It's going to come empty, but you're going to have a wardrobe here. Okay, and this is your toilet and your bathroom. You're going to be having 2 balconies, one close to the family lounge and the other by the master's bedroom. Don't worry, we're going to see that. So let's view the kitchen once again. Everything in this kitchen, you are going to get it except this standing fridge and the washing machine. The kitchen cabinet, you are going to get it. The pots, you're not getting it because this may not be your choice. But you're getting the kitchen cabinet. Okay, you're getting the extractor, but you're not getting the washing machine and the standing fridge. Okay, so let's get you upstairs. Let me show you the dining once again. This is it. So let's get you upstairs. This is going for 78 million naira only. So getting up, you're going to get to see a family lounge, and this is what it looks like. Then from there, you get to see one of the balconies. Remember, I said you're going to have 2 balconies. So this is one of the balcony here. Then you move into the second room. This is it. Comes with this wardrobe. Then from here, you get to the master's. So you have this view here. You could stay here and check who came to visit. You don't want to come down. You stay here and just have a view of who is around. And this is your master's. And it's on the lights. This is your master's bedroom. Okay. This is the toilet and bathroom of your masters. This is it. And this is the master's bedroom. From this angle, it comes with the wardrobe. Then let's view the second balcony. Remember I mentioned 2 balconies, so this is the outside one. Yeah. So you have this lovely view from here. Remember I mentioned that sand filling is currently going on there, so expect more units there, okay? And this is the view of the Capitol Gardens. Consists of Capitol Lofts and Capitol Terraces, and of course lands for sale. Over there is the Lekki Expressway. Yeah, this estate is facing the Lekki Expressway. Yeah, beautiful layout. So key in now by calling, or you send a WhatsApp message on the number displayed on your screen, okay? So these are more units here. I'll still go downstairs, then we'll go to that side and see what is going on there. So smart investors, this is the section of the 2-bed. The 2-bed terrace that comes with a BQ, and workers are on site. Work is currently ongoing. So work is currently ongoing here. So this is what we are doing here today in the 2-bed section. You can see that our workers are working. Even on this angle too, workers are working. So if you need a 2-bed terrace that comes with a BQ, or a 3-bed semi-detached, or a 3-bed terrace, just call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. Welcome back, viewers. So that brings us to the end of this site update on Capitol Garden Estate. Okay, so if you still need these terraces, or even the 3-bed semi-detached is available for you to take advantage of, all you need to do is send me a WhatsApp message on the number displayed on your screen. Don't forget to tap your subscribe button, turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye.